Today for the Bitcoin price, guys, is Bitcoin going to screw everyone over today? There's one pattern in the Bitcoin charts where no one is looking at. Just a few minutes ago, we got the last important touch point, and I am going to talk about where Bitcoin is going here in the immediate short term. I literally woke up with my phone in my hand looking at the Bitcoin charts, and I knew I have to bring this video as fast as possible towards you here with my phone. Let me go straight into the content and talk about what specific pattern I'm actually looking out for. I will be showing you my trades, whether I'm underwater or not, what am I doing, and also what is my next trade, because right now I am planning my next trade for Bitcoin. I will be talking about all of that, so stick here with me until the very end, guys. And if you want more of these videos, more of these important updates here on the go, give me this feedback. I need this feedback. Yesterday I made 4 videos. We are just breaking all the records here. Smash up the like button, and I will know you want more of these videos on the site, and YouTube knows that as well. YouTube will carry it out to other people, so make sure you make noise for the algorithm. You share this video with your friends. And with that being said, let's go straight into it. So quick recap, guys. As you remember, we were talking about this rising wedge, and a rising wedge is actually a bearishly biased pattern. I also said that, but I said, well, for Bitcoin sometimes it just works out differently. However, we broke down. The question is, are we going to reach the price target? This probably not. I don't think we are going to 17,500. More importantly, Bitcoin got a bounce here. Why did Bitcoin get the bounce? So first of all, the first bad news was we had here this M pattern unfolding with the breakdown. The last hope, how I called it, this horizontal support, which broke to the downside. And like this small piece here has a very bad news and a very good news included. So the breakdown of the rising wedge was of course not so nice. We had the M pattern and now a breakdown below the M pattern, this very important line. But guys, here, and this is something I don't like, we are confirming the breakdown. Now the question is, are we going to continue the breakdown to my first price target of 47,000, 45,000 US dollars, or even lower? I want to talk about that, because what looks here like a confirmation could be viewed as just a furthermore validation of another pattern. Because what you can see here, someone called that a bull flag on Twitter, and I have to respectfully disagree, because well, the run here is just too small compared to the flag. So this is not a bull flag, but certainly we have 3 touch points on the downside. We have 3 touch points on the upside. So this is a falling wedge. And whereas the rising wedge is a bearishly biased pattern, which more often breaks towards the downside than towards the upside, this falling wedge is a bullishly biased pattern. And right now we are still in. This bounce here is very good for Bitcoin. However, that we are not breaking above this horizontal line is very bad, because right now we are legitimizing this M pattern support, previous support, which is now turning into resistance. Previous support turning into resistance, not a bullish thing. But this here, actually, I called this the last hope yesterday, but just because this pattern didn't exist yet, this is the last hope for all Bitcoin bulls here, at least in the immediate short term. It's not the end of the bull market, in my opinion, of course, guys, don't worry. But this is the last hope here, and we are here in a bullishly biased pattern. And that in and of itself is a good news. The question is, what is the price target of that? And of course, I'm gonna be talking about that. So make sure you are sticking here until the very end. I just wanted to give a big shout out, because even in bloody times, I am getting so lovely comments, guys. I mean, just go to the videos yourself. Some of them are funny, you're making jokes that I'm making videos in the desert, in the airplane and so on. But some of them are just completely lovely, guys. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate every single comment of yours, whether it's lovely or whether it's funny. Amazing. You are the best crypto family in the world, and also, of course, the funniest one and the most profitable one as well. As you remember, we were trading profitably like for the last 6 months without even like major unprofitable trades here for Bitcoin, and that makes me very proud. Seeing your profits in the comment section makes me very proud. So what is the price target for Bitcoin right now? And before I am going into my price target and into my specific trade here, I wanted to remind you not only to subscribe to my MMCrypto Twitter channel, where I posted this, the moment of truth, already like an hour ago. subscribe to this channel to get these updates already in absolute real time. Subscribe, of course, to the MMCrypto, to the Chris MMCrypto verified Instagram channel as well. But more importantly, if you want to be joining the most profitable community in the world, go to the pinned comment and click these links here. After your initial deposit, by clicking these links and signing up with our specific link in the pinned comment, you get $700 for free, and you can trade Bitcoin only with the bonus and with the profits from this free bonus as well. So with that being said, we are right now at crossroads, which couldn't be closer to each other, because now here we are talking about basically, usually the crossroads are more far from each other. Now, and this is historical, we are talking about like a 4% corridor in which Bitcoin will decide whether we are breaking higher or whether we are breaking lower. And this is like a very, very seldom thing to see. However, if this one breaks towards the upside, the measured move price target would be, let me quickly show you this, the top of the wedge. The top of the wedge is the measured move price target. And once again, the previous all-time high, 61,875. If we are getting rejected there, double top is of course not good, but this is of course a price target we are looking out for, because if Bitcoin breaks out, we would be coming for another retest to break back finally into this long, multi-month rising wedge here. So we have some more time. If we are breaking out, it would be great to break back in. As you know, this is something we need actually for Bitcoin to continue this upwards trajectory here. So the breakdown target, which is technically more unlikely here, less likely for a falling wedge, would be among the lines of, let me show you just for the records, 43,000 US dollars. I personally think the 45,000 US dollar level makes much more sense, as it is the measured move price target of this M pattern. Let me know what you think about that. Of course, I want to be talking about my trades as well. I'm not going to bother you with all my trades. I want to show you one specific trade as a very important example here. And this is my Elon Musk trade. This is the trade. It's 32 Bitcoin and a profit, 1.75 million US dollars. The funding fee, of course, very high. I put in more here, actually at a higher price. The trade is heavily profitable, but the 2 million I put in, they are slightly underwater right now. But I'm keeping that one open until we are getting the last bearish confirmation signs. Then I will be pulling out my my $2 million out of the $6 million trade and remain the rest in this specific trade. It is very important to stick to our trading plan, and this is certainly what I'm doing, and this is also what I'm teaching here on the channel, because I want to make you, no, I want to keep you the most profitable community in the world. This is one of my purposes, guys. So thank you so much for watching until the very end. Thank you so much for liking the video, subscribing, commenting, and so on. And I hope we can soon see, once again, the next green candle for Bitcoin as big as the Burj Khalifa. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always. Bye-bye.